Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be creating this really sweet little card using the Paper Smooches Tweeties stamp and coordinating die set. This is a really adorable little set. You can see all of the imagery here and the sweet little sentiments that are part of this set, including "You are my everything," "You're so tweet," "Enjoy today," and "Love you." The little birdhouse and the sweet little birds and the florals are just gorgeous. And there's also a little swing imagery as well here. And of course, there's coordinating dies for all of the different images that you see in that stamp set, including the sentiments that are part of the stamp set. So I'm just pointing out here all of the different coordinating dies for those sentiment sets. And then, of course, a coordinating die for that adorable little swing. Now I have stamped and colored these ahead of time. Very, very easy to do with whatever coloring medium you choose. I like to use my Olos or some other brand of alcohol markers, but lately really been loving my Olos, and I do have the full set of Olos and they do work really, really well. And I did just stamp these out onto the Olo paper and used my Honeybee Stamps Intense Black ink. Colored those up, and now you can just see how I can put those onto my Anna Griffin magnetic mat and put the coordinating dies onto those colored images. I'll run this through my die cutting machine and those will all be ready to go. So you could use the Anna Griffin mini machine or the Anna Griffin full-size machine. Honeybee does carry both of those machines in the shop. This is a top folding A2 size white card base, and I've die cut out my card front from the Scallop A2 frames, and I did use the largest die for that card front. I love how that die set finishes off a card front. I think it just looks really nice. So I've got all of my pieces here ready to go. And I'm just going to show you here how I used the swing die actually as a stand for the birdhouse, and I'll show you that in a bit. This is the Sweet Stacks Rectangles dies from Honeybee, and I cut out one of the medium-sized rectangles just to fit inside of the stitch detail on my Scallop A2 frames. Now I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending here for this rectangle. I'm going to add a little bit of Distress ink in Tumbled Glass onto my white rectangle cardstock here. Just blending that on lightly, and this is just to emulate the sky. You could also use a cloud stencil, which we have in the shop, and that would be nice for a background as well. So I'm just getting that blended on nice and soft and light. And once I'm happy with that blend, I will go on to blending the grass. And for the grass, I'm just going to use a little bit of Twisted Citron Distress ink and just putting up about the lower 1/4 of my panel here in grass. Now there's that swing, which I'm just going to invert, and I'm going to use that as a stand for my birdhouse. I'm going to just use my Honeybee liquid adhesive here to glue this into place so that I can assemble the rest of my card. So just use my tweezers to get this into place. You could put this in the center of the card. I just wanted to offset it a little bit because I knew that I wanted to place some things around the bottom of the birdhouse stand. So I've just popped that up on a little bit of foam tape, and I'm going to do the same for this sweet little bird here over on the right. And I'll get that little bird placed, and then the little bird and flower detail I will put over onto the left again, just adding a little bit of foam adhesive onto the back. And once I've got that in place, I'm going to add the other little tiny bird into the opening of the birdhouse. There's actually another die you could cut the opening of the birdhouse out if you wanted to. I just left mine colored in, and then I'm going to put a little bit of foam adhesive onto the back of that sweet little bird and add it into that opening there. So you could actually even cut a little slit in those florals and stick that little bird into the slit if you wanted. I just left it like this. I thought it looked really cute. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid adhesive to go ahead and adhere the very front panel onto the scallop panel for my card, and then I'll go ahead and adhere the scallop panel onto my card base. I wanted to just put this into my splat box and spritz it with a little bit of product that's just really, really shiny and shimmery. So it's just a clear shimmer spritz. You could use your distress spritzes for that as well. And now I'm just using a white gel pen to add some little white highlights here and there. So just going in and adding some little white dots and lines to add that detail, or the just to make it look like there's little highlights, little highlighted detail. Now I'm going to be using my Honeybee Intense Black ink to stamp out my sentiment for the front of my card. You're so tweet. Just stamping that onto some scrap of white cardstock. And I just want to repeat that stamping until I've got it nice and dark. And then I'll take the coordinating die, put that onto my Anna Griffin mat again. I've die cut it out twice more just to make a dimensional sentiment here. I'll glue those together with liquid adhesive. And once I've got those 3 layers together, I'll have a really nice dimensional sentiment for the front of my card. And I'll go ahead and place that just underneath the birdhouse. It's just the perfect width for underneath there. And now I'm just going to add another finishing detail with my card. So I'm just going to take some diamond stickles and add those little stickles here and there. And that's just going to create a little bit of sparkle and shine. I hope you enjoyed my process today, friends. I really enjoyed making this card. The Paper Smooches products in the latest release are absolutely adorable. I enjoyed coloring these images and die cutting them to put together this sweet little card. It's beautiful for spring, and I just really, really love it. I have linked up in the description box below to all of the products that I've used for my project today. I hope you have an amazing day, friends, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.